Hi children, welcome back to science class. Today we are going to study about topic 5.6, changing the number of components. Change in the components. Look at this picture, look at this circuit. Here you can see 2 bulb, 1 battery, right? Okay, if I remove 1 bulb from here, what about the brightness of this bulb? Yes, of course, it will bright more, right? If I removing 1 bulb from here, this bulb will glow more. Why? Because we know that battery is a power supply to the circuit. So this bulb will get all current from the battery. So it will glow more. Okay. When we changing 1 bulb from the circuit, the other bulb will glow more brightly. Now look at this picture. Here is 3 bulb. What about the brightness of this bulb? You can see it is very less brightness. Okay, it is bright. It is brightening very less. Why? Because this is 3 volt battery. Because I am adding 1 more bulb here. So the bulbs are very less brightly because these 3 bulbs are sharing the electric current. These all are sharing the power from the battery. So the bulb will glow less brightly. Okay, when we adding the components, okay, the bulb will glow less brightly. Now look at this picture. Here I am adding 1 cell. Okay, actually here you can see 3 cells and 2 bulb, 1 switch. Okay, so what do you think? What about the brightness of this bulb? The bulbs glow very brightly. Why? Because I am adding more cells are here. Okay, here 4.0 volt. Now here 4.5 volt power supply. Okay, these are 3 batteries. It is giving more electricity, more power to the cells. Sorry, more power to the bulb, so it will glow very brightly. Understood? If I am removing 1 cell, what happened to that? Here is 2 bulb. Here is only 1.5 volt cell. Okay, here is only one battery or cell. What about the brightness of this lamp? It is glow less or brightly? It is less brightly. These bulbs glow less brightly because there is only 1 cell. These 2 bulbs are sharing from the 1 cell power supply. Okay, so the bulbs are less brightly. So removing cells, I removing 1 cell from here. Okay, so actually if this 2 bulb, if you need it, the bulbs glow more, we want to add 1 more cell here. Then only these 2 bulbs are bright more. But I remove 1 cell from here. These 2 bulbs are glow less brightly. Now look at this picture. This circuit, look at this circuit. Here you can see how many lamps are here. Here 3 lamps, 1 cell, 1 switch, and this is a ammeter. This is a symbol of ammeter. Okay. Now what about the brightness of these bulbs? It is glow more or less? It is glow very less. Why? Because these all components are sharing the electric current from this 1.5 battery, 1.5 cell. Okay, so the bulbs are glow very less. Because why? These all are sharing from this only 1 cell. Okay, so it is glow very less. Now look at this circuit diagram. What about the lamp? What about the battery? Is this lamps glow more or less brightly? Here is what about the volt of this battery, 4.5 battery, but here is only 2 lamp. So these lamps are glow very brightly. because only these two lamps are sharing this much power supply. Okay, so these lamps are glow brightly. Here, each circuit the bulbs will be brighter. Look at these two diagrams. Compare these two diagrams. Here is two lamp. Here is two lamp. What about the battery? Here is one battery. Here is three battery. Okay, so which circuits are glow brighter? This or this? Which one? Of course, this one. Why? Because here is more volt battery, but it is sharing only 2 lamp. But here is only 1.5 volt battery. One battery is sharing this 2. So this circuit will be glow less brightly. This circuit will glow more brightly. If a circuit does not work, what you must check? What you must check if the circuit does not work? You have to check the connections might not be tight enough. What about the connection, all the components? If it is not connecting tightly, okay, they are not working. So you have to check the tightness of the connection screw. Screw not tight enough on the bulb holder, it is not working. And cell, this all you have to check the screw. What about the tightness of screw, bulb holder, wire, all the thing you have to check. Then bulbs could be blown. Where two cells are joined together, they must be aligned with positive touching positive terminal to negative terminal. You have to check what about the position of the battery, positive terminal to negative terminals. Okay, check the connection of wire. You have to check the connection of wire, it is correct properly or not. Okay, then check the switch. If it is open, the electricity do not pass through. The switch is open, the electricity do not pass through, but the switch is closed, only the electricity pass through. Okay, so you have to check the switch. Okay, if it is on or if it is open or closed. To summarize, removing or adding bulbs from a circuit causes them to glow more or less brightly. Adding or removing cells used in a circuit causes bulb to glow more or less brightly. Thanks for watching. We will continue this lesson next video. Bye bye.